Good morning, students. Yesterday, we have seen the signs of trigonometry functions. So, in the ASTC rule, that is in the first quadrant, all are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and the cosecant are positive. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos theta and secant theta are positive. So, using this, we are going to do the exercise 3.3, the problem number 2. You see in that 5 by 7 and 2 root 6 by 7 is a point on the terminal side of an angle theta in standard position. Determine the trigonometry function values of angle theta. Okay, you see the point 5 by 7 comma 2 root 6 by 7. X positive, Y positive. So it lies, the point is lies on the lies in the first quadrant. So see that OA is the initial side and OB the terminal side of this angle. So this point where it is on the terminal side of the angle theta. So on this point B I have taken as 5 by 7 comma 2 root 6 by 7. Okay, you see that from B I have drawn the perpendicular line. So it will touch the x-axis at a point C. Okay, so see now x positive and y positive. So I have taken this point in the first quadrant. Okay, so what we have to find? Determine the trigonometry function values of angle theta. So we have to find out what is sine theta, what is cos theta, if the terminal side of the angle lies in the first quadrant. Okay, you see OA is the initial side and OBB the terminal side of the angle theta. Angle AOB is equal to theta. You know that the theta also lies in the first quadrant. Okay, so from the diagram, this OC, what is OC? That is the x coordinate of this point, that is 5 by 7. What is BC? It's a y coordinate of this point, that is 2 root 6 by 7. So OC is 5 by 7 and BC is 2 root 6 by 7. So you need the hypotenuse. So OB is the hypotenuse because I have drawn the perpendicular line. So this angle is 90 degree. So opposite side to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So OB is hypotenuse. So OB how to find? Using the Pythagoras theorem. That is nothing but the square root of adjacent side the whole square plus opposite side the whole square. That is 5 by 7 the whole square plus 2 root 6 by 7 the whole square. So when you square this, 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49 plus 2 squared. What is 2 squared? It is 4. Root 6 the whole square is 6. 7 squared is 49. So 25 by 49 plus 24 by 49. So when you add this 49 by 49, that is equal to 1. So your OB is nothing but 1. The hypotenuse is 1. So now we are going for the trigonometric function. So first one, what it is? Sine theta. So sine theta formula in a opposite side by hypotenuse. So you see that what is opposite side? 2 root 6 by 7. So it is 2 root 6 by 7 divided by hypotenuse. Which is your hypotenuse? That is OB. So what is we have found? OB. OB as 1. So therefore sine theta is equal to 2 root 6 by 7. I have said cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. That is 1 by sine theta. So you have to reciprocate this value. So 7 by 2 root 6. Okay, next we have to find cos theta. What is the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Which is your adjacent side? OC. What is OC? I have said it is 5 by 7 and the hypotenuse is 1. So it is 5 by 7 by 1, that is 5 by 7. And secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So when you reciprocate this value, it is 7 by 5. And you have to go for tan theta. So tan theta, what is the formula? Sin theta by cos theta. So 2 root 6 by 7 divided by 5 by 7. So in the 7 getting cancelled. So 2 root 6 by 5. What is cos theta? It's a reciprocal of tan theta. So when you reciprocate the value, it is 5 by 2 root 6. So the terminal side, the angle lies in the first quadrant. So all are positive. If the angle lies in the second quadrant, you have to write sine theta and cosecant theta is positive. The remaining you have to put minus sign. So, according to the point and where it lies, you have to put the sign. Okay, coming to the third problem. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions for the following. See the first subdivision. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, cos theta is negative and it is given that your theta lies in the third quadrant. So, in the third quadrant, you see the rule AST. So, T means the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta is positive. The remaining trigonometry functions are negative. First, keep that in mind. Okay, so here cos theta is given. So we have to find the remaining 5. What are they? Sin theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, tan theta, cot theta we have to find. So we know the identity very well. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that we are going to find sin square theta. That can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta means it's a square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Here we can write plus as well as minus. So finally we will conclude. Okay. So it's a plus or minus square root of 1 minus 1 by 4. Why I have written 1 by 4? Here cos theta is minus 1 by 2. Here cos square theta. So minus 1 by 2 the whole square. It will become 1 by 4. Why this minus has come? So in the formula in between you are having minus. So I have written that minus. Cos theta is minus 1 by 2. When you square it will become positive. So it is 1 by 4. If you take LCM it is 4 minus 1. That is 3. So it is root 3 by 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So here sin theta plus or minus root 3 by 2 has come. But theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, which are positive? Tan theta and cot theta. So, sin theta, how it will be? It will be negative. So, therefore, your sin theta is equal to, how you have to write? It is minus root 3 by 2. Okay, see that? Sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Next, I am going to find the tan theta. The sin theta, if you completed, you can go for cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? It's a reciprocal of sine. So it can be written as minus 2 by root 3. That also you can complete by the sine. Okay. So I'll go for tan theta. So tan theta formula is what? Sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta is given in the problem, minus 1 by 2. We have found your sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. This 2 and this 2 getting cancelled, minus by minus plus. So your answer is root 3. So if you find tan theta, by the side you can write cot theta, because it's a reciprocal of tan theta. So it will be 1 by root 3. And what is one more thing is there? Secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta is minus 1 by 2 means your secant theta what will be? It is minus 2. In this way you have to find the trigonometry functions. Okay, coming to the second subdivision. Third subdivision. Second subdivision you have to complete as a homework. You come to the third subdivision. Sin theta is equal to minus 2 by 3. And theta lies in the fourth quadrant. What is it? Theta lies in the fourth quadrant. So you see the rule ASTC. C in the fourth quadrant. C means cos theta and secant theta is positive. So sin theta is equal to minus 2 by 3. The same way you have to use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Here sin theta is given. You are going to find cos square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So in the place of sin theta, you have to substitute minus 2 by 3. So sin square theta will become 4 by 9. If you take LCM, it is 9 minus 4. That is 5 by 9. If you take the square root, root 5 by 3. See that your theta lies in the fourth quadrant, mean cos theta is positive. So cos theta is equal to root 5 by 3. If cos theta, you can write which one? Secant theta, it's a reciprocal. So 3 by root 5. And sin theta is given here. So you can very well write cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? It's a reciprocal of sine. So it is minus 3 by 2. We have completed these two functions. And go for tan theta. What is it? Sin theta by cos theta. So minus 2 by root 3 divided by Root 5 by 3. 3 getting cancelled. Your answer is minus 2 by root 5. And cot theta is the reciprocal of it. So it is nothing but minus root 5 by 2. So you can learn if you know the formula only, we can write. So the reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta, and the reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. The reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta. The same way, come to the fourth subdivision. Tan theta is equal to minus 2. Theta lies in the second quadrant. So A, S, T, C, S. S means sin theta and cosecant theta is positive. Here, what is given? Tan theta. In the previous subdivision, what is given? Sin and cos is given. So we have used the identity, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here tan theta is given. So you have to change the identity. What is it? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Otherwise you can write secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, tan theta is given. You are going to find the secant square theta. So secant square theta you know very well, 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, tan theta is minus 2. So when you substitute minus 2, the whole square is 4. So 1 plus 4 is root 5. Secant theta plus or minus root 5. But theta lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, what are positive? Sin theta and cosecant theta. But here it is a secant theta, but it is negative. So I have written the secant theta. Secant theta, if you know, we can very well write cos theta. It's a reciprocal. It is minus 1 by root 5. And tan theta, if you know, you can very well write the cot theta. So it is minus 1 by 2. So we have completed. The sin theta is remaining. So cos theta, if you have, you can very well write sin theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. That formula also you can use. What we did in the previous subdivision, that formula you can write. Otherwise, here I am having tan theta and cos theta. If you multiply, you will get sin theta. You see that? Tan theta, how you can write? Sin theta by cos theta. Into cos theta means cos theta getting cancelled, you will have sin theta. So you can use this formula also. Okay, so tan theta, what is it? It is minus 2. What is cos theta? We have found it is minus 1 by 5. So therefore sin theta is equal to 2 by root 5. If you know sin theta, you can very well write cosecant theta. It's a reciprocal. So root 5 by 2. In this way also you can complete. Okay, so come to the problem number. There is a fifth subdivision. See that secant theta is equal to 13 by 5. Theta lies in the fourth quadrant. So first decide that. Fourth quadrant. A, S, T, C. The fourth quadrant, cos theta and secant theta is positive. So secant theta is given. So which identity has to be taken? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Which one are you going to find? Tan square theta. So in the plus 1, when you take it to the next side, it is minus 1. So tan theta is plus or minus square root of secant square theta minus 1. Secant theta is what? 13 by 5. When you square, it is 169 by 25 minus 1. If you take LCM, 169 minus 25 divided by 25. So 169 minus 25 is 144. So the square root of 144 is 12 divided by square root of 25 is 5. So tan theta on the plus or minus 12 by 5. Theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So tan theta is negative. So tan theta I have written minus 12 by 5. Okay, and secant theta if you have, you can very well write cos theta. It's a reciprocal. So 5 by 30. So next one, what it is needed? Sin theta. So you know that tan theta into cos theta is equal to sin theta. If you multiply these two, you will get minus 12 by 13. If you know sin theta, you can very well write cosecant theta. It's a reciprocal. So minus 13 by 12. And tan theta would a reciprocal. It's a cot theta. So you one by one, you can find the 5 trigonometric functions. Okay. So next topic is a important topic. It's a allied angles. What is it? Allied angles. If two angles are said to be allied angles means their sum or difference is a multiple of pi by 2. That is 90 degree. That is sum or difference. So how it should be? It should be 90 degree. Then the two angles are said to be, what is that? Allied angles. You see that any two angles of theta such as minus theta, pi by 2 plus or minus theta, that is 90 plus or minus theta, pi plus or minus theta, pi is 180 degree plus or minus theta, 3 pi by 2 means it is 270 degree plus or minus theta, 2 pi plus or minus theta, what is that? 360 degree plus or minus theta. These are the allied angles of theta. Okay, so the next one, trigonometric ratios of minus theta in terms of theta. If sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, like that we have found. Now we are going to see sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, what it is we are going to see now. For that, see here, let the angle AOL, that is equal to theta, and AOM, the angle AOM is equal to minus theta. It is anti-clockwise, this is clockwise. So AOL is theta, then AOM is minus theta. And I take a point P of A comma B on OL. Okay, choose a point P dash on OM in such a way that OP is equal to OP dash. So OP is equal to OP dash, you have to consider. Okay, you see now, it is draw PN. So you have to draw PN is perpendicular to OA, and this PN, if you extend, it will intersect OM at the point P dash. Okay, so see, since AOP is equal to AOP dash, because of that, PON is equal to P dash ON. Okay, you see the angle, this angle is theta, and here it is minus theta. Both values are same, but it is in clockwise, it is in anti-clockwise, this is in clockwise. You see that? So therefore the triangle PON and the triangle P dash ON, they are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. So they are congruent means you can very well write PN is equal to P dash N. Pn is equal to P dash N. So this distance is same. Okay, so therefore this point A comma B, so this distance is A and this distance is B, means Pn is equal to P dash N, means this point P dash we can very well write this is A and this is B. So it is in the fourth quadrant, so this point is A comma minus B. So see now, so first AOP, which is equal to AOP dash. So therefore PON is equal to P dash ON. These two angles are equal. Okay, and OP is equal to OP dash. Already we have taken like this. So therefore these two triangles are congruent. So therefore your PN is equal to P dash N. This distance are same. So if P is in the first quadrant and P dash is in the fourth quadrant, whose coordinates are same? So X coordinate is A and this is B, this also B. Okay, so see now, if by the definition of sine theta, what is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So here theta, here you are having. So what is the opposite side? Pn. What is the hypotenuse? It is OP. So see now, this Pn is what? It is B. Pn is what? It is B. So therefore, sine theta is equal to B by OP. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? OA, ON. What is the adjacent side? It is ON. So what is it? It is A. So it is A by OP. So what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. So it is B by A. So we have completed the definition of trigonometry function for this angle. Now come to here. It is minus theta. This angle is minus theta. The sine of minus theta. What is the same formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? NP dash is the opposite side. Okay. So, and what is the hypotenuse? It is OP dash. What is OP dash? Which is equal to OP. So, what is NP dash? It is minus B. So, see that? minus b by OP dash. OP dash is equal to OP. So it is minus b by OP. What is b by OP? It is sine theta. So in the front you are having minus, so it is minus sine theta. So this is the very important result. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Sine of minus 30 degree can be written as minus sine 30 degree. And go for cos of minus theta. What is cos of minus theta? You have to consider this triangle. Okay, cos of minus theta, adjacent side. So ON is the adjacent side, whose distance is A, and hypotenuse is OP dash. So it is A by OP dash. OP dash and OP here equal, A by OP. What is A by OP? That is cos theta. You see the difference? Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. What is sine of minus theta? That is minus sine theta. So come to tan of minus theta. How it will be written? Sine of minus theta by cos of minus theta. We have proved sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So that is minus tan theta. Okay, come to the reciprocal. Cosecant of minus theta. How it will be written? 1 by sine of minus theta. What is sine of minus theta? Minus sine theta. That is equal to minus cosecant theta. Secant of minus theta can be written as 1 by cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. So it is 1 by cos theta is secant theta. In the same way, cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. You see that sine of minus theta, tan of minus theta, and cosecant of minus theta, cot of minus theta, எல்லாத்துக்கும் frontல you will have minus. But cos of minus theta is cos theta, and secant of minus theta is equal to secant theta. These are the important result you should know. Okay, so we'll come to the next one. Trigonometric ratios of angle 90 minus theta, that is a complementary angle. So in lower classes you have studied about this. Sine of 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. Similarly, you know the remaining result. Tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot of 90 minus theta, tan theta, and cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So it is a complementary angle of trigonometry functions. Now we are going to see the trigonometric ratios of angle of the form pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, and 270 plus or minus theta, and 360 plus or minus theta. Okay, so it's a halide angle, trigonometry ratios of the halide angles we are going to see. So if you know very well, you can write the trigonometry values of any functions, any trigonometry functions. So first step, what you have to do now, you have to determine the sign. Okay, so sign, you have to find out the quadrant and then attach the appropriate sign, that is plus or minus according to ASTC. For example, you see that here I have taken the example sine of 180 degree plus theta. So first you have to write the sign, it is plus or minus. So for that, 180 degree plus theta, in which quadrant it lies, you have to see. Okay, 190 up to 180, you know the angles in the quadrant. In the first quadrant, 0 to 90 degree. In the second quadrant, 90 to 180 degree. So in the third quadrant, 180 degree to 270 degree. In the fourth quadrant, 270 degree to 360 degree. Okay, so see here the angle 180 degree plus theta. So up to 180 degree second quadrant. But 180 degree plus some angle means it lies in the third quadrant. Okay, so here it lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, use the ASTC rule. What is it? Tan theta and cot theta are positive. Here what is the function is given? Sine. So you have to write the negative. So first step, the angle is in the form of 90 plus or minus theta or 180 plus or minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus or minus theta or 2 pi plus or minus theta if you have. First you have to write the sine. So you have to use the ASTC rule, and first to find out the quadrant using this rule you have to write the plus or minus sign. And the second one, if the allied angles are even multiples of 90 degree. What is even multiple of 90 degree? 2 into 90 degree, 4 into 90 degree. What is 2 into 90 degree? 180 degree plus theta or 180 degree minus theta. 4 into 90 degree means 360 degree plus or minus theta. If the angles are written like this, that is a even multiple of 90 degree. That means 180, 360 plus or minus theta. If you have to write the function as it is. That means if sine comes, you have to write sine. Cosine comes, you have to write cosine. If tan comes, you have to write tan. You should not change the trigonometry ratio. At the next one, if the allied angles are odd multiples of pi by 2, that means what? Odd multiples of pi by 2, it is 1 into pi by 2, that is 90 degree plus or minus theta. 3 into pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree plus or minus theta. If you have to change the trigonometry ratio of the complementary ratio. That means if sine comes, you have to change as cos. If cosine comes, you have to change as sine. And tan comes, you have to change as cot. Cot comes, you have to change tan. And cosecant comes, you have to change secant. And secant comes, you have to change the cosecant. You see now. First we have decided the sine. Okay. Now you see that here it is 180 degree. 180 degree means what? It is a even multiple of 90 degree. So here what I said, the form of trigonometric ratio is unaltered. You need not change. If sine comes, you have to write sine theta. In the 180 விட்டுட்டு, the remaining theta alone you have to write. Okay, so minus sine theta. Okay, you see, come to here, sine of 270 degree plus theta. So first you have to decide about the quadrant. Okay, 270 degree plus theta up to 270 degree, third quadrant. 270 degree plus acute angle is added. So it comes in the, what is it, fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, ASTC, cos and secant theta are positive. So here you are having sine. So it is negative. So I have written minus. Okay. And second one, you have to check. Here you are having 270 degree. 270 degree is a odd multiples of 90 degree. If comes, the form of trigonometry ratio is altered to its complementary ratio. That means what? Sine cos comes sine, tan comes cot comes tan, and cosecant you have to change the secant has to be changed as cosecant. Here you are having sine. The sine has to be changed as cos theta. So sine of 270 degree plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. See that? If the angles are written in the form of allied angles, that is 90 degree plus or minus theta, 180 degree plus or minus theta, and 270 degree plus or minus theta, and 360 degree plus or minus theta. The first step, you have to decide the sign. The second step, if it is an even multiple of 90 degree, you need not change the trigonometry ratio. If it is an odd multiple of 90 degree, you have to write the complementary ratio. That's all. So if you know this, you can write any values of the trigonometry functions. Okay, see the exercise 3.3. Problem number 1. Find the values of sine 480 degree. See that? Sine 480 degree. So it is given like that. So 480 is above 360. So up to 360, one full complete rotation is over. So after making one complete rotation, the remaining is 120 degree. If you add 360 degree plus 120 degree, it is 480 degree. If one complete rotation over means again it has to start from the first quadrant. So the remaining is sine 120 degree. So full rotation, if it is completed, you can leave that. The remaining angles you can consider. So sine 120 degree. So first step, this angle has to be written in the form of 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, or 360 plus or minus theta. So here 120 degree, how I have written? 180 degree minus 60 degree. I have written in the form of 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so after writing this format, you have to check the sign. See that 180 degree minus 60 degree or 120 degree, both are same. So 120 degree lies in which quadrant? So it lies in the second quadrant. So according to ASTC rule, second quadrant sin theta and cosecant theta is positive. So here, what is the function is involved? Sine. So sine is positive. And next step, plus you have to write. Then you have to see it is a even multiple of 90 degree. So you should not change this. You have to write the trigonometry ratio as it is. So it is sine 60 degree. So you know that sine 60 degree, how to find? You have to use the left hand. Which one sine 60 degree? This is your 60 degree angle. So you have to fold it. Sine 60 degree. So below that, how many fingers are there? So 3 fingers. So square root of root 3 divided by 2. So sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. In this way you have to write. Okay. So come to the second one. Sine of minus of 1110 degree. You see that it is in the form of sine of minus theta. So we have found sine of minus theta. What is it? Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. That is the first step you have to write. So it will be minus sine 1110 degree. So it is more than 360 degree. So 1 360 is 360. 2 360 is 720. And 3 360 is 1080. So it is more than 1080. So after making 3 complete rotation, the remaining angle is 30 degree. So it can be written as minus sine 30 degree. So here 120 degree is there. So we have converted into 180 degree minus 60 degree. Okay, but here 30 degree you know very well. So it's a known angle to you. So use the left hand. So this is 0 degree. Here it is a 30 degree. So if you fold this, so sine theta. So the number of fingers below is how much? It is only 1. So root 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2. Okay. So cos 300. So what you have to do? It is less than 360. For these two angle, it is more than 360. So after making complete rotation, remaining angles we have considered, then we split the angle in the form of 180 degree minus theta. But here it is 300, it is less than 360. So you have to write this angle in terms of, what is it? 180 degree plus or minus, 270 degree plus or minus, 360 degree plus or minus. So here I have written 360 degree minus 60 degree. Okay, so 360 minus 60 degree is 300. After writing in this way, so the angle is written as 360 degree minus theta. After writing this, first you have to see the sign. So 300, where it is? It lies in the fourth quadrant. So use the ASTC rule. Up C, fourth quadrant plus C. So cos theta and secant theta are positive. So here the function is cos theta. So it is positive. So plus you have to write. Next you have to see what it is here. It is a 360 degree. Even multiple, now you need not change. So you have to write cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree? So again use the left hand. This is your 60 degree. Cos means you have to see the fingers above. So how much it is? 1. So square root of 1 by 2. So square root of 1 is 1 by 2. In this way you have to find out. Okay, come to the problem number, that is a fourth subdivision. You see now, tan 1050 degree. So it is more than 360 degree. So but it is less than 1080 degree. So after making 2 complete rotation, the remaining angle is 330. So it is tan 330. So 330 has to be written in terms of 270 degree plus or minus theta, or 360 degree minus theta. So here I have written it is 360 degree minus 30 degree. Okay. So see now, this 330 degree, how it is? It is, what is it? Less than 360 degree. It lies in 4th quadrant. In the 4th quadrant, tan is negative. So that's why I have written tan. After that, you have to see it is a 360 degree. It's a even multiple. But you need not change this. So it is tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree. And what is the formula? You can use the left hand rule. 30 degree is this one. So it is sin theta by cos theta. So below finger is 1. So square root of 1 divided by square root of 3. So that is 1 by root 3. And go for cot 660 degree. It is more than 360 degree. But it is less than 720 degree. So one full complete rotation is over. After completing one full complete rotation, the remaining angle is 300. So cot 300. What you have to do? 300, you see that. In which quadrant it lies? It lies in the 4th quadrant. So which are positive? Cos theta and secant theta. So it will be negative. And you have to see this 300 I have written 270 degree plus 30 degree. You can very well write 360 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, but for example, here I have written as 270 degree plus 30 degree. So what it is? It is a even multiple of 90 degree. So 3 into 90. So it is a, it's an odd multiple of 90 degree. So if it is odd multiple of 90 degree means you have to write the complementary ratio. Here you are having cot. So it has to be changed as tan 30 degree. So see now, here I have written 360 degree minus 30. So it's a even multiple of 90 degree. So here what you are having, you have to write the same ratio. But here I have written the same 300 as 270 degree plus 30 degree. So it is an odd multiple of 90 degree. That means if cot comes, you have to write the complementary ratio, that is tan 30 degree. So again, tan 30 degree, what's the value? It is 1 by root 3. And next one, you see that it is tan 19 pi by 3. So what is pi by 3? So pi by 3 is 60 degree. Okay, 19 into 60 degree, if you multiply, it is 1140 degree. So it is more than 1080. So 1080 plus 60. So 1080 means how much complete rotation is over? 3 complete rotation is over. So the remaining is what? Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree you know very well. Use the left hand. 60 degrees this one. So it's a first one below fingers. What is it? It is root 3. Divided by above fingers, it is 1. So root 3 divided by root 1, that is equal to root 3. Okay, come to the next one. Sine of minus 11 pi by 3. What's the first step? You have to use sine of minus theta. What is sine of minus theta? It is minus sine theta. So I have written the here minus is there, so it has to be evaluated as minus sine 11 pi by 3. What is pi by 3? Pi by 3 is 60. 60 into 11, 660. 660 is how much? It is greater than 360. So after making complete rotation, so the remaining angle is 300. So how it will be written? Minus sine 300. So this 300 has to be split as 360 degree minus 60 degree. Otherwise you can write 270 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, so here I have written 360 degree minus 60 degree. First, what you have to check? You have to check the sign. Okay, this minus is what? Already in the problem itself. Okay, see 300 or otherwise 360 minus 60. In which quadrant? It lies in the 4th quadrant. 4th quadrant, what about your sign? Is negative. So minus of minus. This minus is in the problem itself. Here you are writing the sign. So minus into minus plus. Okay, so here it is a even multiple of 90 degree. So you need not change this. So it has to be written as sine 60 degree. So it is sine 60 degree. How it is? It is root 3 by 2. So this using this way, first you have to find the quadrant. According to that, you have to write the plus and minus sign. Then the angle has to be splitted as 180 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta, and 360 degree plus or minus theta. And if it is an even multiple of 90 degree, you need not change anything. If it is an odd multiple of 90 degree, you have to write the complementary ratio and you have to find the remaining. Okay, thank you students.